Today was an interesting day, Nista family. As you all know, I had to put my baby Daffy to sleep the other day, and it's been a very, very emotional roller coaster. Today I decided just to take today and do exactly what I wanted to do. I didn't go to work because I didn't want to be crying at work all day, on and off, because the tears are uncontrollable. I feel like somebody snatched a piece of me away. And I never thought I would feel like this about a cat. But I know that he is more than a cat. He was like a child to me. He was an angel sent from heaven. He helped me raise my kids. My daughter and my son called it their little brother. I watched my son hold him before they euthanized him, and he said, "I'll see you later, buddy." My daughter just cried and said she just wished she had more money. And I told her it wasn't about the money, because we putting the money in him. It's just that it's time. He walked around the floor in the room. He just wanted to go home. And it was so hard. When that doctor came in, and I know everybody says to me, "Tamara, you should have stayed in the room." Can't stay in the room for that. But he never left us alone in any type of pain. If we were sad, if we were depressed, he was always by our side. I refused to let him be put to sleep on that cold examination table. My daughter held him. I rubbed his head and I held his paws. And I watched the life leave out of his body. And it is one of the hardest things I have ever done in my life. That cat was a king in my eyes. I know some people won't understand. And it's so crazy because I used to be one of those people. I couldn't work today. And I know my boss and other people could care less. He even texted me and said, "You coming in tomorrow?" I said no. Didn't ask me how I was doing or anything. But some of my staff sent me messages because they heard. And they sent me some heartfelt messages. Some of my people on YouTube, they've sent me messages. Listen, my cat's been with us for over 15 years. This house is his house. And when we come in here, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels peaceful. It's very silent. But you can tell he's not here.